up a gear coming out of 13, like with full throttle, and then there was nothing.
Nothing.
No on. I'm Arshia Akhtar. I'm originally from Pakistan, grew up in Saudi Arabia, and I'm at Sebring Raceway for my second race in Formula Continental.
So how many gears do you go down into?
2 gears.
2 gears, okay.
Growing up in Saudi Arabia, females were not allowed to drive up until 2018. But when I moved to Texas in end of 2020 is when I ended up learning how to drive. So first time in car in 2021.
Arshia, she just moved from a country where women are not even allowed to have driver's licenses, and she has come over to America and said, not only do I want to drive, I want to drive a freaking race car. And that is maybe the coolest story I've ever heard in my life.
I get really freaked out by 7.
Why?
Because I've hit that grass twice now. My biggest fear is failing. I think it's worse than dying. If I'm not improving every weekend, and if I hit that plateau where I'm no longer learning and improving.
Shifts down to this corner, 3 up shifts to the next corner, 2 more down. Like it should be like a dance.
At my very first Formula Week event, when I got out of the car and I took off my helmet, there was a little 3-year-old girl. She pointed out at me and said, "Oh my God, that's a girl!" And yeah, and I was like, you know what? This is the class I'm gonna stick to. I don't think that racing is just a sport. I think it's a very equalized sport, because once you're in the car, it doesn't matter if you're a male, female, whatever, you're one with the car, and it's what you do in the car that represents.
Subscribe to Amateur Racer and join us for more on-track content.